Tank EU-15 just mentioned the really good help we have from institutions for the training of ratings to officers throughout Europe, and from the endorsements and from the cabotage 50% and from the nationalities that allow to recognize endorsements from Panama. No, that's zero. So we are having huge help from European Union leaders? Of course not. And therefore that is really making every tank ship owner run in different directions, because no one has in French flag French officers. Well, we do have in Spain, huge. We have 180,000 seafarers that are basically specialized in Europe, specialized in countries that are around Morocco, Algeria, countries that like America, they don't need the Schengen visas. And we have many oil terminals that need to speak in Spanish. Therefore, they need to have the chief officer and the captain speaking some Spanish. Also, we have a lot of companies now from Greece contacting Candina. Why? Because we have a huge volume of Latvian, Estonia, Lithuania, Poland officers, tanker officers that want to stay close from home. Because the difference between a big tanker, international trade, going to the Gulf or going to wherever far away from home and then sailing home is really little, because most of us, we really want to be close to our families. It's very important. Perhaps we can get different weights and different package, because the shorter contracts we can provide, and perhaps many are available for that. So please contact Candina, because we know Europe is a huge mess. It's like 26 chickens with no head running around, and that's very good news, because we know they will do nothing for generating 44 million jobs in the maritime sector. 4 is seafarers, and then indirect is 40, so that's 44 million. They are not interested. That's great news, because we know what's going to happen. This is going to happen from the authorities, so we can really look after having a solution, which is a crew management company for your tank ships that are around Europe, either Greece, Italy, Spain, wherever. We have the solution. We have a huge database, and many officers and ratings want to be close to the families. So why not match them both together? And we have Adonis, for example, software, many solutions for you, dear tank ship owner. Think different, adapt, and get a solution. Because if we wait for the politicians to have a solution, it's better they do nothing. Thank you. Bye.